Guys, Dr. Axe here.
And Dr. Benner.
And I want to talk about anxiety. It's rampant. I've had it. You've had it. And it's an epidemic right now. And so we have an upcoming workshop. Would love for you guys to be there. And we're going to go over in an hour everything you need to know. But right now I want to tell you guys the top 3 causes of anxiety and some of the top 3 solutions that you can start to implement today. The first one is the gut. That's where serotonin, dopamine are made. Right? Anxiety, depression is a chemical imbalance. But our body makes those chemicals in the gut. So what are some solutions there?
So we'll be talking about a lot of solutions in this workshop, but let's just talk about a couple. It starts with the foundation of nutrition, right? We have 2 different dietary nutritional programs we utilize. I utilize AIP and GAPS, and so you, depending on the situation. And that allows us to be able to methodically find out what's going to serve your gut the best and step-by-step wise. And in that workshop, we're going to be going over the specifics of those 2 dietary programs, as well as other methodologies to heal that
The kinds of testing we can do, great.
Yep, absolutely.
Okay, and sleep is a big one. I was reading that at night, that's when you get rid of negative thoughts.
We do.
Right, and with anxiety, you're worried. The only time we can get rid of those thoughts is if we're sleeping. If we don't sleep, we're never gonna get rid of those thoughts. People are watching, they're saying, I know, I wanna sleep more, I just can't sleep. So what's the solution there?
Well, again, many things we're going to talk about, but when you're going to sleep, that doesn't mean you're not having stress.
Right.
Okay, so when you go to sleep and if you're not doing the proper things, your body is not going to be able to rest and digest. And there's one thing that happens when you're, as far as we're going to lead to this next thing, is what's called the migratory motor complex, which means the body, the gut actually clears itself out. It's like a street sweeper. And but if you don't do the proper sleep hygiene, okay, and do the proper habits, that doesn't happen at night. And so in this workshop, we're going to talk about that.
Okay. Absolutely. And the third big one, toxicity. We live in a toxic world. We're all, what I call it, we're all fat heads, right? Because our brain is mostly made out of fat, and where do toxins get stored?
In the fat.
And, which is our brain, okay? So that causes anxiety, depression, and all kinds of fatigue issues. So what's a solution for toxicity?
Again, many things.
But
one of the things that you and I look at a lot is to make sure that we're active and so on and so forth, but we have to have the proper functioning gut, and then we also have to have the proper functioning liver, and then we also have to make sure that our adrenals are working properly as well. They all tie in together, and when we go through this workshop, you're going to see there's not only one little isolated thing. Is about finding all these different things and putting them together.
Is that like circadian rhythm?
Circadian rhythm.
Adrenals, cortisol. And so we're going to go over options for testing for those things and give you real life solutions that you can take home and implement immediately. So I'd love to have you there. Please share this video. And the registrations is on Eventbrite. Dr. Jordan Axe, go there on our Eventbrite. You can register and share this with a couple of people that you know that have anxiety so they can get the help that they need.
All right, guys.